Yeah, hi everybody, welcome back. Thanks for watching. My name is Mark if you're new, and if you want to hit that subscribe button for me there, that'd be do me a big favour. So thank you kindly. So today is, as the thumbnail says, it's an unboxing, and I've been stoked. I've been really excited, like a kid at Christmas, waiting for this box to arrive because it's full of tactical goodies, tactical bags, in Alice pack, and there's also a prize for you. So stay tuned, and I'll tell you what the prize is and how you're going to enter the draw. So okay, so do you just want to get stuck in, and when you have a look at what's in here, let's just open it. I was tempted to open it before I set up the video and all, but I said no, that wouldn't be right. Like getting a Christmas present on Christmas Eve. Yeah, so, and let me put that in there. Right, it's all Helican Text tactical bags and backpacks. So let's go through them. And except one thing is a chair. Oh man, Lucas, you're a legend. I asked him a jersey beanie, and he's done that. So he sent me a beanie hat. Oh, brilliant, excellent stuff. Thanks, dude. Thanks very much. That was just something extra that I needed. I needed to order when I lost mine. Yeah. So where are we? Okay. Oh my God! Look at all of this. Woo! Okay. Look, we'll have a look at this. This is the essential kit bag. Yeah. I'll put up pictures, obviously, to have a closer look. So, now this is going to be ultimately, it's quite a big bag. It holds a big canteen. It's got good, decent sized straps, and you can also put a knife or a smaller axe down through here. But ultimately, I think this is going to be my drone bag. If not, it'll be my canteen. I have another bag there. So that's the essential kit bag. Let's remember the names of this. Yeah, so that's the essential kit bag. So these are all compatible with the backpack I'm going to get you. I think they're down the bottom there. Okay, so that's one of the bags. It's all tactical gear. This is the water canteen pouch. So let's have a look at this. These are all just like cheap. They're what you call it? Sorry, they're not expensive. They're pocket money stuff. Right, so that's another. What did I say that one was called? The water canteen pouch. Right, so that I think that might fit a litre one, but I'm going to be having a closer look at these in the second video. So this is a nav tail pouch. Now let's have a look at this. The thing about this Helicon stuff, I've been using it now for 2 years. It's bulletproof. It's forever, like. Oh look, oh, this is really neat. This is for, I shoot with 2 phones now. So this is for me 2 phones to carry in on my back, on my side. I'll always have it there. And look, it's got the molly straps, all of these things. They all have mollies on them, molly webbing, this sort of thing. I'll give you a closer look when I'm attaching them all onto the bag in the next video. There you go. Another cool little handy pouch in there with some mollies in there for putting bits and pieces. Another little storage thing in there. There's that on the back. Oh look, very good. This is well made and well crafted. I'm a craftsman, I was, and you can just see the stitching, the materials. It's all Cordura, 500E Cordura. I mean, you can drag that around with you. Okay, so then this is a Vanguard seat. Yep. Oh yeah, that feels real quality. There's padding inside there as well, and it's the bushcraft line. That's bushcraft line. That's bushcraft line. That's not. It's just a Helican Text line. Alright, so that's the seat. Oh yeah, this is a bushcraft dump pouch. The bushcraft dump pouch. I'll show you pictures of it. Yeah, again, it just feels quality. Yeah. Now I know that can fit an Angeline 1 litre bottle, but I have different ideas for that, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that when I set it all up with the bag. These are all compatible. That attach on to the molly straps of the Alice bag I'm going to show you. And then this is E&E tactical pouch. Yeah, I don't have to look at this. This is an E&E tactical pouch, and this also will hold a full canteen, or maybe you might get 2 litre bottles in that. They probably deceivingly look small on camera, but it's quite big, and when it's all filled. So that's another thing that's going to attach onto the backpack. So here we are. So, uno, dos. Right. So I have 2 of these because one of them's for you guys. So I was thinking, what colour will I order? And I was thinking maybe green, dark green is the most that people will probably pick. This is an adaptive green, that's what it is. So I don't have a coyote one for myself, so this is the one I'm bringing out to test in the field. Oh yeah, oh yeah, baby, this is gorgeous. Jesus, look at this, man. This feels this is a 260D nylon, I think, on the front. And on the bottom it has again the Cordura, 500D Cordura. So they used the nylon to make it lightweight, because it only comes in at just over 1.5 kilos. It's a 35 litre bag, and then each of these, the 3 bags on the front, they're 2 litre capacity. There you go. Oh wow. I'm already thinking of what I can all put in that and fit in that. My other 18 litre Bergen from Helicontex bushcraft line, I've loved that, and it's I can fit my whole kit, even tarp camping. But this, I just need to be bringing extra for the bigger journeys. So this will just give me a bit more. Look at this, pouches here, or pockets here, zip pockets there. A very good back, because in here, but look, this is just a quick look and the unboxing. What I'm going to be doing is yeah, so in the next video you can comment. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be loading this out and all those bags, and doing a load out for my next camping trip, which is next week. So that's what I'm going to do with this bag, right? So I'm going to load that out and put all the stuff in and see what way we can configure everything, and then how does that sound? So guys, just tune in for the next video and you can win this. Yeah, it's to the value of 170 euros. So best of luck to everybody. I'll tell you how to enter. I'll tell you how to enter when I do all of this and set up my kit, and I'll show you how versatile and how absolutely brilliant this bag is. All the research I've done on it, it's all 100% strong. So how does that sound, guys? I'll see you on the next video. Yeah, sorry this was just a short one, but I've got to go and play with all my camping kit now and sort this out. Yeah, so I'll be back very soon. It's only a couple of days to do this. Yeah, maximum a week by the time it's edited. Okay, so thanks guys, everyone, for watching, and thanks, and if you haven't subscribed, please do. Lots of love and peace. See you on the next adventure.